Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this beautiful tree branch wall decor. I was inspired to create this piece after seeing similar items retail online for over $100. I already had the paint on hand, so making this project cost me barely than 50 cents to complete. Please see the description box below for a list of materials and tools used in this project. I am so excited to share this super budget-friendly project with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current subscribers and a big thanks to all the new subscribers who have just joined my channel. If you're a new visitor to my channel today and love DIY projects as much as I do, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new tutorial is ready to share with you. So now, let's jump right into the tutorial. First, we want to head outside and scope out a tree branch we want to use for the project. I snipped mine from a down limb in my wooded backyard. We want to choose a tree branch that has lots of unique curves and branch outs to make your design interesting and full. Next, we want to decide on the style and the size of the leaves that we want to add to our tree branch. And I gathered a few leaves from a shrub outside my home so I can get a few variations of what I might like to use. Once you decide on a leaf size and shape, go ahead and trace that onto a sheet of white paper, and you can make any adjustments to it that you wish. Now once it's good to go ahead and cut it out of the white paper. Now we want to place our leaf design on a scrap piece of poster board, and we want to trace it with an embossing tool. This will transfer the shape. And now we just cut out our final template. Now we're just going to take a piece of poster board and we're going to take our leaf template and we're going to start tracing it onto the matte side of the poster board. We want to copy as many of the desired leaves as you want for your branch. And here's my sheet of all my traced leaves. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our embossing tool and we're going to mark the fold line on the leaves. So take your ruler and mark straight even lines down the center of each leaf. Now once the lines are drawn, you want to go ahead and begin to cut out your leaves. You can use scissors, but I prefer to use an Exacto knife since it's much quicker and easier. And here are all my leaves, ready to add to my branch. Now move these over to the side and grab your branch. We're going to be adhering the leaves to the ends of the branches and the stems and trimming away any excess branches that we don't need. To start, we want to go ahead and grab a leaf and fold it in half across that embossed line we made earlier. And then grab your hot glue gun and apply it to the branch. Add your leaf on there with the glossy side up. And we want to go ahead and repeat this process for the entire branch, filling in all the areas as you desire. There's no rule of thumb here. And here are some of the shots of the leaf application in progress. I usually start from the bottom and work my way up, but you can work it however you like. And finally, the entire branch is complete. I really even like this look without the painting. What do you think? Now we're going to go ahead and take our branch and flip it over to the back side. Add some additional hot glue to the areas where the branch and the leaves come together to make sure it's extra secure. And now it's time to paint. I'm choosing this Brilliant Gold spray paint by Krylon for this project. I have already sprayed the back of the branch and now I'm spraying the front. We want to apply the spray paint evenly to each leaf and the branches. Just be careful not to oversaturate and make sure it completely dries. And here is our completed project. Can you believe that this was a scrap tree branch and pieces of poster board? We have created something that is budget friendly, but looks like it would cost much more. Don't just limit yourself to metallic and gold. It would be super fun to have this in white, copper, or even a bright and fun color. The best thing about this is that you can customize this in any way you like and make it your own. And this piece is much lighter than its metal rival, so it can be hung with a few thumbtacks or push pins, as I've done here. So easy and effortless. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you would customize this tree branch for your home or space. Thank you again for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you here next time.